Hey, we're gonna be singing execution time. A clap, I think. Execution clap. Where is it? Where? I'm scared. No, not. I don't want to start that yet. No. There we go. No, I don't want to do that. No more water for today. Yippee! All right. All right, I'll stop. Execution clap. And stop. Maybe I should put the lyrics. Oh, never mind. What? Did I do it at the at the wrong time? I think I did it at the right time, guy. I mean, no, that's not what I meant. No. I don't really remember much of the lyrics. So first I'm going to sing it with the video, and then I'm going to sing it with that. Oh my god, voice crack. I'm speaking gibberish. No, I'm speaking gibberish. Let's do yeah, da 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 da. Da 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 da. Okay, I'll stop. Alright, let's see if this works. Yeah, da 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 da.
Create PDF spaces in a click. Connect your data.
I'm a doggy. Done with this. Alright, singing is not my thing. I do remember some Mesmerizer lyrics. Let's do that. I don't know why I can't remember anything else. God damn it. No, ignore what's on the right.
When you love your dog like crazy, you make sure their food is delicious, just like yours. Caesar, love like crazy.
I'm tired of this. I quit. I'm done.